we shall see in 2029.
But we have seen them, and let me assure them that should they not be brought to book.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice writer on Ghana SMTV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Busianfo, I can confirm to you, sir, the indefatigable, the man of the moment, the soon coming president of the Republic of Ghana, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, has finally spoken. And he has spoken clearly, without mincing word, with no confusion and with straightness of thought. Or see, saa dia esi wa Blekumanov enenu eya dia bia enye kra na osi ofre omampeni and I say he's asking His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to take action quickly. But if His Excellency John Dramani Mahama fails to take action on those hooligans who attack Hawa Kumsen, those hooligans who attacked Lloyd, and all the hooligans and hoodlums that attacked any member of the New Patriotic Party, no, say NDC government, someone take action. Someone arrest you, someone say omo fa emra ewo omanwe mu, eni omo nante no, eni ye wo videos no to ho. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kasa no, o see ye wo videos no ewo ho. Ye wo pictures no so wo ho. Ye nim omo nyina one by one. Ye show ye nim omo. Na justice delayed no, enye justice denied. And a crime nso no, any expiry date. Crime has no expiring date. Crime has no expiring date. And that is a clear message of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to NDC and to these hoodlums. And I'm so happy he has come to speak in no uncertain terms. I'm so happy he has come to condemn the act, number one, and number two, shown that indeed, ye back 2029, ye ye move fanche. Yembe tie osofo bia ni kasa say o enye hwi ye part 2029 peace council ye expected peace council be kasa because yes we hear the same thing ma kire omo nobody should talk, nobody should complain, because right now as we are speaking no peace council right now as we are speaking no pastors asofo ni na omo TV omo hwa ni ekoso but omo bia amfre John Mahama ye, none of them has called John Mahama. None of them has called Mustafa Bande. None of them has called Malik Basintale. Right? None of them has called Tanko, computer, whatever, and answer calculator, whatever. None of them. So for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who is going to be the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, to have come out to say, crime has no expiry date there, I am proud. I am so much proud. Because this is what the grassroots has been asking for. This is what the grassroots has been advocating for. And since he has come out to say it, no matter what happens, people are going to receive payback. People are going to receive payback. This wicked investment from the NDC, hooligans, and their so-called macho men, they are going to receive boot for boot investment for whatever they are doing. They are going to receive it, and you can trust that they will receive it because the leader of the soon coming leader of the party has said it, and we will hold him by his word. When we come to power, we will not allow Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to forgive anybody. All the men that we've seen throwing blow, hitting the head of our Kumsi with their foot, stamping on Lloyd, we have seen all of them, and we will pay them back. We shall pay them back with the nyenudra yebetua munyinaka, because on my way no emra ho until be bia pese on famra no nyadwuma, he will take the law into their own hands no sankrofo nyina no yebetworo mu se emra ho man way mu.
For some reason they were able to find security to conduct elections in 19 polling stations, and today our people are being attacked with the police presence and unable to provide security. We don't want the country and political parties to start to think that they have to provide for their own safety. This would be a recipe for disaster if every political party has to raise their own army to give them protection during an election. But this is the message that is being sent. What we have to be clear about is that the people who have perpetrated these acts have been caught on video. I call on the president to take action, and all the people in charge of this country, the administration, to take action to bring the perpetrators to book. This is the only way we can deter this in the future. But we have seen them, and let me assure them that should they not be brought to book, we will not forget. They will be brought to book no longer, no matter how long it takes. We will not forget what has happened. We want peace in this country. This is not the democracy that Ghana wants to see. And so it is very important that these sorts of terrible acts are not encouraged.
Former Vice President.
Now, Pete say NDC for they won't do anything about this. We know say NDC for they won't do anything about this, and so we are keeping the records, we are keeping the videos. Social media does not forget. Our hard drives will not get missing. Even if our hard drive will get missing, we'll keep it on Google Drive so that it will be there. Because we shall revisit all these files in 2029. We will revisit each and every one of these files in 2029, and it's going to be beautiful. Ebeye fekeke. Sankrofo nyina mpeni toto a omo bu omo ho. A omo ntimi hu say we your ba, we your bema. Now those an even fight. We bema standing one on one netun nekun tokwa. Enye ni audi mu buying group na mu de helmet a shemu tia mu di mu nimi sie. Enye ne bema. We bema. Yes will be a bema. A one on one fight na eri ho. And to say the way you have shown that you are cowards by going in groups and all those things, we have seen it. And we are keeping the video. Sa Rasta guy out share blue. Ye who know? Ye who know na ye name no so. Ye name baby otie. And to 2029 ye die mra. Ye de nyembe bu. Upe dance wam honum no. Udwi wa wonti ase. Nsa wam. Upe da wo udwi wa wonti ase. Aden election baku. Move over 180 members of parliament. Then election baku unsemnie. We will see in 2029. We shall see in 2029. I'm telling you, we will see.